Notion hit around $500 million in annual revenue by 2025. But here's the thing, I spotted a window. I was going through their G2 reviews, that big tech review site, and out of 20,000 mentions, more than 5,000 were negative. And half of those, same complaint. Steep learning curve. So it hit me. What if I built an app to compete with Notion? Something way more practical for small teams, and just grabbed a piece of that pie. Only problem? I can't code, and I definitely don't have weeks to wait around. That's where Remy came in. I threw my idea at it. Remy analyzed everything and started asking me questions. Then it put together a full spec. Remy started building. I took my dog for a walk. By the time I got back, presentation ready. Bug caught, bug fixed, obviously. My app is called Sage. What a wise name, huh? Create tasks, view them as a list, assign priority, due dates, team members, drag cards around. Engineering keeps all their technical docs right here. No more lost Slack threads. Personal notes? I've got my scratch pad. But my favorite part? Sage has a built-in assistant that has access to everything. Yeah, watch how easy it pulls up this week's activity. All of this, built with Remy. You don't need a team anymore. You need Remy. Full stack, front end, back end, full SaaS app. Try it yourself. Links in the description.